Hey everyone, today I'm showing you a new feature in Harvest version 1.7.0, Pausable node upgrades. This gives you control over cluster upgrades by letting you pause specific nodes for manual maintenance or verification. During upgrades, nodes are updated sequentially. The operating system and RK2 components gets upgraded one node at a time. Now you can pause upgrades on specific nodes or all nodes when you need to step in manually. One important note is that this feature is available starting from version 1.7.0. You cannot use it when upgrading from version 1.6x to 1.7.0. Only in upgrades starting from version 1.7.0 onwards. Let me show you the upgrade config setting on our documentation page. Here, in node upgrade option, you have the mode field. Set it to manual to pause all nodes or auto for automatic upgrades. This is also the default behavior. Use the pause nodes field to specify individual nodes. Just list the node names and those nodes pause while others continue automatically. One key point is that these settings apply during upgrade initialization. Changes after that only affect future upgrades, not the current one. Let's head to a live cluster for demonstration. Here you can see it's a 3-node cluster running version 1.7.0 RC7. I will trigger an upgrade to the same version. This is for demonstrate the feature. But before that, I need to update the upgrade config setting. Since we currently don't have user interface on our dashboard, we will need to communicate directly with Kube API server. Let me bring up a terminal. Let's get the current upgrade config setting. We don't have values configured. This is the default value. As I said, the default node upgrade option uses the mode auto. This will automatically upgrade every node during node upgrade phase, one node at a time. I want to make it pause before the node upgrade phase for the first node and third node. How do I do that? We need to update the upgrade config. Just edit the upgrade config setting. Copy the default value and change it to a user-provided value. For demonstration purpose, I will also change the image preload option from sequential to skip. Since this is a same version upgrade, we don't need to image preload to save some time for demonstration. Here, this is the node upgrade option, strategy, mode. I will need to update it from auto to manual. Besides that, I also want to specify which node to pause before they enter the node upgrade phase. So I need to specify the pause nodes field. This is a list. Here I will put the node names that I want them to pause before they enter the node upgrade phase. I want to pause the first node and third node. In our case, the first node name is Charlie 1 Tank System. The third node is Charlie 3 Tank System. Okay, we're done. Now save the config and quit. Great, we're good. Now let's apply the same version upgrade. This is the same as before. We need to apply the version custom resource. Here, I already host the version 1.7.0 RC7 ISO in my HTTP server. Now let's create a version custom resource. As you can see, the upgrade button shows up. Now let's choose the version and check all the boxes and hit upgrade. Great, now upgrade has been started. Let's keep an eye on the created upgrade custom resource. this is the latest one. As you can see, the controller has added a no upgrade pause map annotation to the created upgrade custom resource. We already configured we want the first and third node to be paused before they enter the no upgrade phase. Now the setting has been converted to an annotation to the upgrade custom resource. Now let's wait a few minutes for the upgrade to proceed to the no upgrade phase. So the cluster upgrade has entered the no upgrade phase, and on the upgrade dialog on the Harvester dashboard UI, you can see that the first node, Charlie 1 tank system, has been paused before it enters the no upgrade phase. And the message shows that the no upgrade paused as requested by the user. This is the desired behavior. Now we can also check it via the kubectl. Get the upgrade custom resource again, and you can see under the node status, the Charlie 1 tank system node is administratively paused. Now we can do maintenance tasks on Charlie 1 tank system. Let's assume I have already done all the tasks that I need to do with the Charlie 1 tank system node. Let's resume the upgrade. So we will need to modify the annotation for the upgrade custom resource again. We can use the kubectl command and we need to find the upgrade name, which is this one. Okay, and the annotation key is harvester.hci.io node upgrade pause map, and we need to copy the current value. This is the current value, and since we already done the maintenance tasks for Charlie 1 tank system node, we need to resume the upgrade for it. Let's change it to on pause. Okay, hit enter, and the upgrade custom resource has been updated. Here it will change it to pre-draining as soon as possible, but if it doesn't reflect the change, just refresh the page. This can happen because the leader pod is on the node where it is drained. We can also check using kubectl, get the upgrade custom resource again. As you can see, the Charlie 1 tank system has already been pre-drained, and it will continue with the RK2 upgrade and the operating system upgrade. So just a few important things to note. Pre-drain jobs aren't created until you unpause nodes, and you cannot modify the annotation anytime before a node upgrades. You can add or remove nodes as needed. The annotation is the source of truth. And finally, you might need to unpause multiple times during the upgrade, depending on your cluster size. So, overall, this feature is perfect when you need to verify hardware, check workloads, or perform manual validation between node upgrades. It gives you control during critical operations. Just remember that this feature starts from version 1.7.0. It's not available for the version 1.6x to version 1.7.0 upgrade itself. Okay, that's Pausable node upgrades in Harvester version 1.7.0. More control, more flexibility. Thanks for watching.